Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to start with our math book on page 665. We are going to compare customary lengths. So, we are going to compare how one thing is longer or shorter than another. So, we're going to first look, it tells us to look at things in our classroom, but we're just going to look at the picture of these two girls that are up here. Look, you can see that the girl who has blonde hair is taller than the girl that has black hair. Look at how much taller. She's probably a few inches taller than she is. So if you were trying to say a statement or tell someone, you could say that the girl that has blonde hair is taller than the girl with black hair. So it's comparing lengths helps with figuring out giving information to people and figuring out where things might fit in a space, or if someone is taller than someone else or something like that. So we are going to look at this first page. You should be on page 666. You can compare lengths of objects. So look at that first picture. It's a baseball bat, and that bat, they say, is 33 inches long. And then the golf club that's right next to it is 31 inches long. And you might say, I wonder how much longer my baseball bat is. Or you might say, I wonder how much shorter my golf club is. So in order to figure that out, you're going to say the baseball bat is 33 inches long. The golf club is 31 inches long. And that the golf club is 2 inches shorter than the bat. See how they figured that out over here? 33 inches. They put the larger number on the top. 33 inches is the baseball bat, and 31 inches is how long the golf club is. So 33 minus 31 is 2. So the statement that they said is the golf club is 2 inches shorter than the bat. I have filled in some of these different pictures. So we're not actually going to measure them. We're just going to put my estimate in there. So go ahead and put me on pause and fill that in, and then come back and see me. Okay, so you should have all of those numbers put in for number 1 and number 2. Number 1, if you look at the crayon, it is 3 inches long, and the pencil is 4 inches long. So what they want us to do is to compare the inches between the two items. So the pencil is blank inches blank. So remember, we're going to start with the larger number. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So the pencil is 1 inch. 1 inch what? Shorter or longer? I hope you said longer. There it is. The pencil is 1 inch longer. Number 2, there's our board where it has a chalkboard, and we said that the chalkboard is 6 feet tall. See how this one has been done by how long it is, and this one's how tall it is. And this desk is how 4 feet tall. So maybe I'm trying to figure out if I can put both of these things on the same wall. Can I put this chalkboard and then the desk underneath of it? Is it going to fit? I need to know. Maybe this one's a little bit longer than this one, and how much longer is it? So the desk is blank feet blank. So the larger number is the chalkboard, and so that is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, and the desk is 2 feet shorter than the chalkboard. This talk math is what I just talked about a minute ago. Why do you need to know how to compare lengths? It's important to see if you think, this desk is 2 feet too short. It's not going to fit in this space. Or maybe my bed is 2 feet longer than it needs to be, and I can't put it this way in my room. So it helps you figure out if something might fit or if something's taller or shorter. All right, you may look on page 667 now. We're going to look at page number 3, 4, 5, and 6. I want you to put me on pause and put those numbers in your book, please. So we're looking at number 3. We're looking at the paperclip, and we're using inches as our measurement. So the paperclip is 1 inch, even though it has an ES on it. We're going to say that as 1 inch, and that the highlighter is 3 inches. So the paperclip is 3 minus 1. You better all say 2 very quickly. 3 minus 1 is 2, so the paperclip is 2 inches longer or shorter? I hope you wrote shorter. The paperclip is 2 inches shorter. Number 4, we have a car and we have a bookshelf. So the car is 7 feet tall. See how much taller this one is measuring how tall something is, not how wide it is. The car is 7 feet tall and the bookshelf is 3 feet tall. So we want to know the car is blank feet. So 7 minus 3 is what? What is the difference of 7 minus 3? So if I can't figure that one out, I'm going to start at 3. I'm going to count up to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's how many fingers I have left on my hand, and that is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. And it says the car is 4 feet longer. Or you could also say, I'm going to write this, taller. Put a slash. Oop, there we go. So the car is 4 feet longer or 4 feet taller than the bookshelf. Number 5, I have a big foot. So my shoe is 11 inches and the book is 7 inches. So I want to know the shoe is blank inches blank. Is the shoe. Okay, so we need to figure out our problem. 11 minus 7. I hope that you said 4, because if you start at 7 and you count up 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's how many fingers are left on your hand. So yes, it is 4 inches and the shoe is 4 inches longer than the book. Number 6, there's a doorway there. That's 3 yards. Now remember, we're changing how we're thinking about our measurement, what tool we're using. So yards, we're using 3 yards, and then our cubby length is 5 yards. So the door is blank yards blank. 5 minus 3, you all better say quickly 2. And so it says the door is 2 yards shorter. 2 yards shorter. Okay, we should be on number 7. The playground is 90 yards long. The field by my house is 80 yards long. How much longer is the playground? So the question we're trying to answer is, how much longer is the playground? So if I start, here's the playground, it is 90 yards. And then my house has a big field in it that is 80 yards long. How much longer is the playground than the fields by my house? I hope you said 10, because 10 plus 80 equals 90. There's only one 10 between 80 and 90. All right, so our next one says, the blue hockey stick is 4 feet long. The red hockey stick is 6 feet long. How much longer is the red hockey stick? So if the red hockey stick is 6 feet long, we're going to do 6 right here. And the blue stick is 4 feet long. Who can tell me 6 minus 4? I sure hope you can say that quickly. And the answer is 2. 2 feet. Remember that these got the company put feet there for us. It's important that it's not 2 chicken nuggets or 2 cell phones or 2 sticks. You always have to label what type of measurement you are using, because 2 feet is very different than 2 yards. Number 9. Audrey's basketball hoop is 7 feet tall. Isaac's basketball hoop is 10 feet tall. The question they want to know is, how much taller is Isaac's basketball hoop than Audrey's? So Isaac's is 10 feet tall and Audrey's is 7 feet tall. So how many feet or how much taller is Isaac's basketball hoop? 10 minus 7 is what? I hope you said 3. And you said 3 feet, not 3 something else, 3 yards, 3 computers. Okay. We do not have to do the hot problem today. Woohoo! And you're all finished with your lesson for the day today. For homework, you do not have to do page 669 and 670. You just have to do 2 piggy facts from Freckle. So 2 Freckle piggy facts. And if you want to, you can do page 669 and 670, but you don't have to. Have a great day.